But the police always violating somebody's civil rights. Yeah. And they never held accountable for the wrongdoing that they do. As a matter of fact, I would say that the police state is probably one of the biggest criminal organizations in America. I mean, when it comes to forfeit seizure, where they take your property and take your money, your cars and everything, they rob more than actual people that does robbing for a living, which is crazy. And they're supposed to be a law enforcement, but at the same damn time, they always breaking the law. Now, how does that make any sense? It doesn't do it. And people, they get all uptight about when you say defund the police, abolish the police. Why? That same police officer will come to your house and arrest you. You don't know what's going on. Do a no-knock warrant, busting your door, and go to shooting and killing people in their beds and all kinds of stuff. When I look back on everything that the police does to black people, poor people, working people, it makes me wonder why this organization hasn't been revamped or renewed or reformed some other kind of way. And this stuff has been going on for a very long time. And you only getting a fraction of what you see right in front of this video, what the police does. This is only the stuff that's being filmed, only stuff that a camera's catching. So just imagine what the police is doing when they're not being filmed. Sounds kind of scary, doesn't it? And these people, just like if you was to join the military or the fire department or you become a doctor or a lawyer, you have to take an oath. And the policemen, they also have an oath, but they don't live up to it. As a matter of fact, they break their oath more than any other organization in the whole entire country. I mean, they need to get rid of police immunity. They're killing unarmed black men, which makes my skin a sin. And we all know that the darker you are in America, the more likely you would get assaulted or your civil rights violated or even killed. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure out that this whole entire organization is corrupt and is ran by white supremacists. And basically, if you really think about it, where do you think the police come from? Don't worry, I'll wait. Maybe some of you don't know that. Well, here at One Man's Worldview, we're going to let you know.